Conti moves Gerolsteiner. Germany's largest mineral water exporter loads over 3 million bottles of water every day. It takes 35 forklifts to do this, always equipped with Continental industrial tyres. In these extreme conditions, the SC20 from Conti shows its superiority. Its long service life ensures minimum downtime, significantly lowering operating costs. Another advantage, absolute stationary stability. 8 tons bear down on these forks and on these tyres. Precision movements, 4.5 meters in the air. The key, rock-solid tyres that always hold their ground. The solid rubber SC20 tyre is extremely tough and absolutely maintenance-free. The optimum combination of quiet ride, stability and cost effectivity.